Welcome to the unboxing of Unbelievable Presents from the Elizabeth B. Collection with art prints by Emma Harmon. Beyond the stars, someone is coming. It is a visiting wise man. The wise man is greeted not by smiles, but by a large group of doubtful people. The people gather all their warriors to question the little wise man. "Wise man, why are you here?" The wise man smiles happily. "Please do not worry, my friends. I've been observing your land for a long time, and I designed a perfect present for you as a sign of our friendship." "What is it? Show us before you enter," the people demand. "Please look at this incredible present." "What does it do?" the people ask. The wise man begins to introduce the gift. "First, it always ensures it exists." "So what?" the people ask. "So it will always be there for you," says the wise man. "Okay, maybe we can use it as a brick or something," the people ask. "Actually, no. It just likes to be there. It doesn't like to do things for others," says the wise man. The people roll their eyes. "That's useless. We don't like this present." The wise man waves at the people. "But wait, it also has a second function. It always makes itself happy." "What does it do when it is happy?" the people ask. "Actually, nothing much. The present just wants to be happy." "That's useless, though. Please leave us," the people say to the wise man. The wise man waves at the people again. "But wait, it also has a third function. It gets bigger by absorbing things around it." "What things?" the people ask. "Anything you can think of. Rivers, mountains, apple trees, birds, dogs, everything," the wise man says excitedly. "That's very threatening. Please leave," the people say to the wise man. The wise man waves at the people one last time. "But wait, there's more. You will love this function." It makes small versions of itself too. You always have more gifts, the wise man smiles. It makes smaller copies of itself while absorbing everything around it, the people ask. Yes, that's true, the wise man answers. It's horrible. This is an invasion. The people start to bring out their weapons. The wise man frowns. Please know, I've spent many years designing this present for you. We can't understand how anyone would spend their life doing that. Here's a rocket for you to leave before you can. The people push a wise man into a rocket. The wise man is sad. The wise man is talking to himself. After observing these people for so many years, over half of them spend their whole lives doing only those four things. So why don't they like the present? I just wanted them to be happy. Suddenly the wise man's face lights up. I know, maybe I haven't observed them long enough. I'll go back to my planet and observe them for another 100 years, or a million years, or maybe 100 million years. After 100 million years, I will definitely figure out what they like to do. Oh, silly me. I've misunderstood them. After 100 million years, I will get to know them, and then I'll be able to create the most wonderful present for them. And then maybe I will get to be their friend. And that's the end.